Now, your Storm Track 9 weather.
Tony's been busy throughout the afternoon tracking that snow.
Some more shoveling tonight or
Yep,
tomorrow morning, Tony?
A little bit of shoveling, but it's kind of nice when it only comes in like 1 and 2 inch increments. It's not so hard on the back, right?
I agree.
Yeah.
All right, let's get you started here. And you can see that light snow is starting to spread out of Minnesota toward western Wisconsin. And the leading edge of it not quite reaching the ground, but you know, after a while it'll saturate and get down to the ground. So if you're traveling out in western Wisconsin, probably by 9 or 10 o'clock, that snow will start hitting out here toward Eau Claire and Hayward, and then probably toward midnight and a little after as you get further east into the state of Wisconsin. You can see this is a small weather system. It really only stretches back through parts of western Minnesota and western Iowa, and that'll be moving quickly through the area such that by daybreak tomorrow, most of it's already gone. We still have a winter weather advisory posted from the National Weather Service out in west central Wisconsin from late this evening through 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. That does include Jackson, Clark, Taylor County, back over toward Rice Lake, Eau Claire, and down toward Buffalo and Trempealeau County. That's where the snow totals could get just a little bit heavier. Here's the latest snow track projection from our models here at Storm Track 9, and showing generally a good inch, maybe 2 inches in a couple of spots here in central and north central Wisconsin, but getting to be a better chance of 2 or 3 inches by the time we get out toward Eau Claire. So we'll keep an eye on that. Mike will be in this evening at 9 and 10 for a full update on the trends, so be sure to watch. Elsewhere around the country, some flood advisories through the Mississippi Valley, fog down toward the Gulf Coast, also into Kansas and Nebraska. Wind chill advisories up in parts of Montana and North Dakota, and some winter weather advisories pasted across the western part of the country. So it's a little bit busy in spots. Today's high was 26 in Wausau, low of 18. We had about 1.5 inches of snow with the system last night. And here's a live view in Stevens Point showing the cloudy skies at this time. Temperature is at 23, wind chill 16, just a bit raw out there with that moisture starting to come in. And in the state of Wisconsin, temperatures vary from the low 30s in Milwaukee to mostly 20s in the vast majority of the state, 24 in Rhinelander. Here's our future track maps. It's showing that band of snow sliding through the area overnight, quickly moving away by 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. We could have a few leftover flurries or even a little patchy freezing mist tomorrow morning, so definitely allow a few extra minutes traveling. Throughout the day, mostly cloudy and breezy. A little bit of clearing tomorrow night, but the next weather system quickly rolling in for Wednesday should bring us some more snow in the later morning into the early afternoon. Again, could be 1 inch or 2, maybe an isolated 3-inch total to the far north part of the state. So tonight's low in the mid-20s. It might even rise a degree or 2 as the night goes on. That snow developing after midnight, about 1 inch or 2, maybe 3 inches well west of Marathon County, southeast wind at 10. Tomorrow's high 32. It's going to be a day with a couple of flurries or a little freezing drizzle early, then mostly cloudy. South wind becoming west between 10 and 20, so above normal temperatures tomorrow. 29 for the high in Minocqua, 30 in Medford, 31 in Anago. Southward, you'll top out at 33 in Wisconsin Rapids and Amherst, maybe up to 35 in Wisconsin Dells. Your 7-day forecast, though, calling for some more snow Wednesday, turning breezy, high in the mid-20s. Thursday, a quick shot of cold air coming in, 1 below in the morning, high of 11, but the sun will be out. Friday into early Saturday, that's a period to watch. We could have a more significant snowstorm move through, and temperatures will hit the low 20s, but then dropping late Saturday. Could be a lot of blowing and drifting at times. Sunday and Monday looks cold with some sunshine returning. The high temperatures around 8 or 10 above. Lows could reach a couple degrees below zero. And here's a great photo from Betty Wells in the town of Rome. That's a cedar waxwing bird enjoying some of those little flowering crab apples. I guess they're liking the fruit. Back to you.